in a jungle so green, where the trees did sway, lived a little monkey named Mo, ready to play. With fur so brown and a tail so long, Mo was curious. Oh, what a pong! One sunny day, as the leaves did flutter, Mo decided, I want to read and utter. Books are fun, with stories so neat, in the jungle, where the words do greet. He wiggled his ears, with a monkey cheer, grabbed a book, with a paw so dear. Hello, dear letters, what do you say? In the jungle, where the words are in play. But wait, what's this? A parrot so wise flew by with a squawk in the skies. Hey, dear Mo, want some aid? In the jungle where the knowledge is laid? Mo nodded. Yes, parrot friend, in the jungle where the words do blend. Teach me letters, big and small, in the jungle where the vines do sprawl. So the parrot chirped with a squawky sound. A is for apple, on the ground. B is for banana, so yellow and sweet, in the jungle where the fruits we greet. Mo grinned with a monkey glee. Learning letters. Oh, what a spree! He repeated after the parrot's lead. In the jungle where the letters did breed. But oh, what a twist! A mischievous cap, a cheeky monkey swung with a flap. Hey, Mo, what's this you do? In the jungle where the vines are true. Mo giggled. I'm learning to read. In the jungle where the words succeed. Join us, monkey friend so spry, in the jungle where the learning's high. So the monkeys and parrot, side by side, swung and chattered in the jungle ride. They pointed at letters, big and small, in the jungle where the knowledge would sprawl. As the day danced on and the sun dipped low, Mo felt a yawn. Oh, so slow. I'm getting sleepy, my learning clan, in the jungle where the dreams began. The monkeys swung and the parrot squawked as the jungle quieted and the night hawked. Mo nestled in a tree with a book so light, whispering, good night, letters, good night. And so, in the quiet of the jungle so grand, the vines slept under the moon's soft hand, with dreams of letters and knowledge so bright, a sweet good night until the morning light. Once upon a patch where the grass did play, lived animals, eager for a fun-filled day. In the meadow so green, with flowers so bright, animals gathered, ready to delight. A rabbit named Ruby, with fur so grey, hopped along, wanting to play. She had a carrot, crisp and sweet. Who wants a nibble, a tasty treat? Along came a squirrel with a bushy tail. Hold on, Ruby, don't set sail. I love carrots, crunchy and neat. Let's share the nibbles, it'll be a feat. Ruby grinned with a happy cheer. Sharing is fun, my friend so dear. Take a nibble, taste the delight. Sharing is easy, it feels just right. The rabbit and squirrel, in the meadow so grand, shared the carrot, hand in hand. Yum, yum, it's so divine, sharing is lovely, like sunshine. But wait, what's this? A giggle in the tree, a wise old owl perched with glee. Sharing is wise, my dear friends, in the meadow where friendship blends. The rabbit, the squirrel, and the owl so wise shared stories and laughs beneath the skies. Let's play a game, oh what a hoot, sharing is the key to friendship's root. The trio decided on a game so fair, a game of tag, with a lively air. Tag, you're it, they chased with delight, sharing laughter till the evening light. But then, a quack from the pond so near, a duck named Daisy, with feathers so clear. I heard sharing is happening today, in the meadow where friends frolic and play. Daisy waddled over with a happy quack. Let's share some pond time, it's a fact. Splish, splash, in the water so cool, sharing the pond like the golden rule. The animals splashed and quacked away, in the meadow where the moments sway. Sharing is grand in every way. It makes our hearts dance and play. As the sun dipped low in the golden hue, a bunny named Benny, with fur so true, hopped over, looking for a spot so snug. Hey friends, can we share a cozy hug? The rabbit, the squirrel, the owl and the duck huddled close in a cuddly luck. Group hug, it feels so right, sharing hugs in the soft moonlight. The meadow sparkled with friendship so sweet, in the meadow where sharing is a treat. The animals learned, as the stars shone bright, that sharing makes the heart feel light. As the night unfolded with a gentle breeze, the wise old owl spoke with a tender ease. Time to rest, my friends so dear, in the meadow where dreams appear. The animals nestled under the moon's soft gleam, in the meadow where dreams beam. Good night, dear friends, sleep so tight, in the meadow where the night is bright. And so, in the quiet of the meadow so fair, the animals dreamed, with a gentle air, with dreams of sharing and morning light, a sweet good night, till the dawn's first light.